Greetings. In this video and tutorial, we are going to look at how to animate images using artificial intelligence. So to begin with, you go into your browser and you type in DID Studio, you press enter. Then you click on this link here, Studio D-ID. So this is a tool or software that can help you to animate any of your images and to give them motion and sound. Okay, so after it loads this interface, you come here and click on create video, which is right here in the top left. And then here you add your image that you want to animate. So I'll come here, click on add. So to be able to add an image, you'll have to sign up with an account. If you can put in your email address, or if you're already signed up with your email within your browser, you can continue with Google or your LinkedIn. So I'm going to continue with Google. Then you select the account. Then you give it a few seconds to load so that you can be able to upload your image. So it will ask you a question. You can choose personal depending. Training, take me in. Once again, it will lead you back to this interface. Come here, click on create video, click add. Then now you go to select your image where you stored it. Make sure you pick an image which shows clearly your face. So as the image loads there, it's right here. Here you can type out a script, what you want the image to be speaking as it's animated. You can say hello. Forward. After it's done there, okay, you can remove some if it has reached the premium amount of words. The other way to be able to add in quite more number of characters here is to have this script or words written in Microsoft Word somewhere, and then you paste them here. Then here you come and pick the language. So there are quite a variety of languages depending on what you want it to be voiced in. Okay, so we can pick here United States, then you pick the voice that you want. Some of the voices are premium, as you can see, they have that yellow crown besides it. So if you want a female, there are females here. Or if you want a male, these are the males. You can pick on that. And then after you're done putting in your script, you're done. And you can also upload your audio. If you have your audio, you can upload your own voice. Upload it here so that it will be able to really translate into to animate, to be able to be voiced as it's animating your image there. Okay, so after all is said and done, you come here to click on generate video, and you give it a few seconds to generate the video from the script that you've put it and the image. You click here and generate. And then you give it a few seconds to generate your video. All this is dependent also on your how fast your internet speed is. And after you receive a message, we have successfully generated your video, and you can play it.
Hello, it's a pleasure to meet you today.
Okay, so that is how you can animate your image, and if you want to download it, simply click here download and it will come to your computer. So that is the process of how you can animate your image using artificial intelligence using D ID Studio. Thank you.